Hi, amazing and beautiful. See and mighty, most welcome back to my channel. I'm your baby girl, Cynthia Hope. Yes, and in today's video, we are having a organizing paid motivation. So I hope you get motivated as a student. Yes, to arrange your things, right? So come along with me and see how I arrange my things, how I change the sheets, how I arrange, and I hope you enjoy this video. Like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for amazing content. Let's go. So right now, I'd like to remove things on my bed and remove those bed sheets because they've stayed there for a week. So they need to be changed, right? So let's go. Leave it down in the comment section. How long do you take to remove your bed sheets? I'd like to iron my bed sheets, but I'd like to change pillowcases. But what I realized that my purse is dirty, so check in the video linked up and in the comment section how I cleaned my purse to be a new, like as you see there. She's cleaning my purse with Panado. Yeah, with Panado. Leave it down in the comment section. How do you clean your purse? Okay, so let's get back to ironing. I want to iron my bed sheet, pillow covers, and then
there's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. oh. Before my liver start to fail, you're the one I need, oh. Before cause I would start to hate, if I ever leave, oh. Look what that kind of me to go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She get the dollar, she deal with the sun. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She get the dollar. She say give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Say biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy. Baby, you want me? No. Love is sweet, oh. When money enter, love is sweet. Paradise, oh, yeah. So brother man go got the liver, call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away, far away, yeah. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She enter Atlanta, she go cause disaster. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover, yeah, yeah. She say give me assurance, assurance. I give my baby assurance, I give my baby assurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby assurance.
Hey guys, I'm ready for work. So after arranging, I had to go start that day, right? But I was still feeling myself, getting thumbnails and feeling myself. Let's go, guys. Let me show you my outfit for that day. And pause. And then, yeah, we go. Let's go. Bye.